All right, with this video, I want to just do, I guess, a short review of LiveGood. Tell you about it, as far as the product, the opportunity, how much it is to be an affiliate and how you earn money. All right, and I just want to tell you how I've been able to sign up 400 people just personally. Okay, and I'm not a guy that has a lot of experience in this business, okay? I can't sit here and say I've been doing this 5 to 10 to 20 to 50 years, okay? I started about March of 2023, so I've got a couple of years under my belt in a few months, okay? It's just barely the first few weeks of 2025, okay? LiveGood is a couple years old now, all right? We have about 1.6 to 1.7 million members and affiliates, and that's worldwide in a few hundred countries, okay? And we're signing up about 60,000 people per month. All right. And we have distribution centers going all over the world. We have a real huge success story in Africa, in all the Asian areas, just kicking butt over there. China, of course, Philippines, South Korea, of course, the UK, rocking in England, to France, Italy. I have a whole bunch of people here in the United States. I'm in Utah. All right. So just about every day, somebody is inquiring about LiveGood. What are the products about? Is it a scam? How come $10 a month you get to buy wholesale? All right, well, because we're a wholesale-based company. All right, we make our money on the membership side. So if you want to be an affiliate, all right, you just got to pay your $10 a month, $9.95 to be exact. Or if you want to get 12 months for the price of 10, if you have $100, okay, you can go ahead and just get your year paid. Now, when it comes to being an affiliate, this is important. This sets us aside. Okay, this is why we're signing up 60,000 people per month, in my opinion. Okay, number one, the products are awesome, and you have 3 months to enjoy the products. If not, our guarantee is like this. Cover your eyes. All right, I don't like them. Whatever. Just send back the empty container or wrapper to Jupiter, Florida, where they came from, our distribution center. Get your money back. 3 months, no questions asked. We're just like, nope, we don't care what the reason is. Just give that person their money back. Number two is you don't have to buy products during commissions as an affiliate, okay? Remember, we're a wholesale-based company. We don't profit off the sale of these great products, okay? We make our profit off the membership side like Amazon does when you join, let's say, Prime, okay? Do you want free shipping? Awesome. You want to go to that country club and golf? All right. Do you want to be a member of Netflix? Here in America, one of the most successful companies is called Costco. Okay, you pay, I think Costco's $60 a year or $120, depending if you're an individual or a business. You can go shop for big screens, tent equipment. They even have hot dogs for sale and fresh food, frozen food, underwear, right down to shoes. I mean, Costco is just a billion dollar success story. People like to join things if they're going to regularly shop at that place, okay, and they're going to save money. Either they shop there month after month in LiveGood's, situation, or Costco, where you might just go, I don't know, every other month. But if you can spend $10 to save 40, does that make sense? Because that's how I became affiliated with LiveGood. All right. I didn't even care about being an affiliate. I've made money. I've never not had a job since I was 15. And I was not looking for an opportunity to make extra money. And I'm glad I did, because boy, oh boy, high five to the guy that gave me, he actually emailed me and said, you should look into this affiliate thing with LiveGood. And thank goodness I did. Okay. So if you're looking at LiveGood just to buy the products, awesome. If you want to look at it as an affiliate, I hope that you join with me, because I'm going to send you an email, exactly what I do every day. I make it fun, short, sweet, pretty darn cheap. Okay. And it all starts off like this, guys. Okay. So let's just try to do a 10-minute video. Okay. Now, I'm a big fan of just making a business card, because if somebody asks me about this business, I just give them the business card and say, go to this link. I bought this link for like $10 from GoDaddy. I think it was 11 with tax. And then I forward it to a video and a capture page that you get with LiveGood. Okay, so go to Vistaprint, spend $25, $30 with shipping, get yourself a domain name for like $10, $11, and then join LiveGood now for $49.95. So for $100, you got a full-blown website. You've got full customer service. You have a capture page where people can go to get more information, watch a video, and join. All right, you have a business card in your hand, and you have a domain name that kicks ass. All right, now, this is what the LiveGood website looks like if you've never seen it. I suggest go to the products page right here. Check out all the products. Just click the buttons. All right, you guys know how to do all this stuff. Read about our products, our ingredients, what's the wholesale pricing versus retail. All right, we have packs, big packages here. If you like to take these packs here every single month, you can just see. All right, check it out. And, you know, shirts and hats and little shaker bottle you can make your protein powder in. And you can even see it's wintertime now as I make this video. So if you want a beanie or maybe put on a hoodie, all right, keep warm. It's up to you guys. Or cut the sleeves off like I do on every shirt. So please go to the products and check it out. All right, you're going to like what you see. Now go to the FAQ section. There's a lot of questions. Just click any one of them here and they're answered. Okay, this will take care of about 80 to 90% of your questions about the company. Now the pay plan, that's where everybody gets all tripped up and freaks out and goes, wow, you know, this is awesome. All right, go to the bottom of your cell phone. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. It depends how big your screen is because the word affiliate will get cut off if your screen's smaller. So it says pay plan at the bottom. Click it. It's this exact page. There's 7 ways we get paid. Now read all this. You know, it's kind of boring, but it tells you how we get paid. But I recommend going to the bottom. Say hello to this pretty girl here and click the button and watch this YouTube video. It's produced by LiveGood. All right, it's well done. It tells you exactly how we get paid, okay? So this is what I do every day. It's like, call it a system, a routine, but I invite people to the pay plan. I invite people to the FAQ button right there. And then I invite people just to look at all of our products. Okay? And I always send out an email that suggests clicking this link right here. If I do a video like this on YouTube or Facebook, wherever this video you're watching it from, I just like to make my videos maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Sometimes I do webinars where I just teach people for 15 to 30 to 1 hour, you know, how I email. How do I post on Facebook? You know, how do I do this? How do I do that? Just keep it fun. But you know what? I've been able to earn my way up through 1.6 to 1.7 million people. Okay, it's put me on the leaderboard with LiveGood, which I'm very, very proud because there's some people that have joined LiveGood that have 10, 20, 30 years experience. But if you look right here, number 27, all right, I got 400 people signed up right now, and I think I got 1 or 2 coming in the next day or so. So if I can get to 401, 402, once I get to 500, you know, over the end of summer, it should put me in the top 10. Okay, because you can see once you get to about 500 signups, it puts you in the top 10. And I'm excited. But guys, you can make a ton of money with the way our comp plan is just by having a maniac like me sign up underneath you. Okay, so he or she at the top don't make all the money like in a traditional MLM, okay, where the owners make billions and the people that are the first 10 people to sign up when the company started makes a billion trillion, okay? You can sign someone up and they sign up someone that signs someone up that becomes a diamond in the company. And boy, oh boy, their hard work and effort, boy, does it tickle your fancy, okay? Just go to the comp plan, all right, the pay plan, and check it out. Okay, Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'll show you my business card one more time if I can find it here at the bottom of my screen. All right, Cory at CoryDraper.com. And please just go to this capture page, put in your name and your email address, and just hit the button below it. And you'll get an email from LiveGood every day talking about the opportunity. And if you don't want it anymore, just opt out. If you want to join, I'll get notified and I'm going to send you an email of exactly everything I do. Okay? If you make money, I make money. If I make money, you might get some spill down effect, okay? Look at the spillover, okay? Very exciting. I'm glad that you spent this 8-9 minutes with me, and I'll try to wrap it up in 10, okay? Thank you for going to my YouTube channel and subscribing to it. And then on Facebook, just find me, bookmark, and like I said, if you need something, just email me, or you can inbox. I'm not shy. I'll help you out, okay? All right, guys, thank you for your time. All right, and hopefully you can watch some more of my videos and I bring you some value, okay? All right, have a good day, guys. Bye.